In this video, we'll show you how to tell the difference between betel leaf and Piper Lolot. We'll look at their appearance, taste, growing conditions, and how each one is used. Piper Lolot and betel leaf actually share a few things in common. They both belong to the pepper family. Their leaves are heart-shaped, smooth, and have a shiny surface. That's why many people mix them up at first glance. The leaves may seem alike, but look a little closer, and you'll start to notice the differences. Piper Lolot leaves are shorter and more rounded. Betel leaves, on the other hand, are longer and more pointed. The plants themselves also grow in different ways. Piper Lolot has soft green stems and grows low and bushy, often spreading out in moist, shaded areas. Betel leaf is a climbing plant. It grows upward, wrapping around supports as it climbs. Their flavors are just as different. When fresh, Piper Lolot has a mild spiciness with a slight tingling sensation on the tongue and a hint of bitterness. Its flavor is pleasantly aromatic and never overpowering. Once added to hot dishes, its aroma deepens, becoming rich, fragrant, and savory. Betel leaf, on the other hand, has a bold, peppery flavor with a sharp, almost medicinal aroma. It delivers a warm, slightly spicy bite, with a hint of bitterness and a pungent herbal aftertaste that some find overpowering. Their uses are also very different. Piper Lolot is a popular herb in Vietnamese cooking, used in stir-fries, grilled dishes, and soups. Betel leaf, however, is not used for cooking. It's mostly known for its cultural role in betel chewing, a traditional practice in many Asian countries. In this tradition, the areca nut is sliced into small pieces. A piece is placed on a betel leaf, then a bit of lime paste is added. The whole bundle is folded and chewed like a snack. It's a strong-tasting mix, and for many older generations, it's deeply tied to social customs, ceremonies, and hospitality. So next time you see these two leaves, take a closer look. And if you're curious to learn more about herbs in Vietnam, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.